Tell me about hypernovas.
Hypernovas.
I watched a science documentary that freaked me out about how when they first started measuring gamma ray bursts out into the, they thought there was wars going on between alien races.
Gamma ray bursts.
Yeah.
And what they are, gamma rays are extremely energetic forms of light, if you want to think about it, okay? And they're, among other things, they're emitted in nuclear weapons explosions, okay? And you know how they were discovered? So there were these satellites that were designed to go up, that were Earth monitoring to look for gamma rays. Why? Because we were looking for nuclear weapons explosions to see if the Soviets or some other country were having nuclear weapons explosions. It was one way to monitor.
What year was this, Ron?
Oh, these satellites were put up in the 60s and 70s.
So this is around the time they did that Operation Starfish Prime, where they detonated a nuke into the atmosphere or the magnetosphere.
Probably, but the point is they were used by as monitoring systems to look for nuclear weapons explosions, and then these things which are looking downward discovered these short bursts of gamma rays, which would be a potential signature of nuclear weapons explosions, but they discovered they weren't coming from Earth. And then they discovered they were coming from everywhere in the cosmos. And that's how they were discovered.
How many of them were?
Well, they're everywhere. There are millions of them. And they happen, they're 1 second, 2 second, 1 minute long bursts that are incredibly energetic, emitting more energy than the sun may emit in its lifetime. In its lifetime.
And they're happening all the time.
They're happening all the time.